I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Play Store if it keeps crashing on your Android device. The first thing you should do is clear the Google Play Store cache and data. This fix works for almost every Google Play Store issue. It wipes out the temporary files that may have become corrupted without deleting your apps or your personal information. Step 1. Tap the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Apps. You might see it as Apps and Notifications or App Management. Step 3. Tap See All Apps and then find Google Play Store in this list. Step 4. Tap Storage and Cache. Step 5. Tap Clear Cache first. If the crashing continues, come back to this screen and also tap Clear Storage, or it may say Clear Data. And to be clear, clearing storage will reset your Android Google Play Store preferences, but it will not remove your downloaded apps or your Google account. If clearing the Play Store didn't do the trick, the problem often lies with Google Play services, which run in the background to keep all your Google apps talking to each other. Now let's walk through the steps to clear your Google Play Store services cache. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Apps. You might see it as Apps and Notifications or App Management. Step 3. Search for Google Play Services and then tap Storage and Cache. Step 4. Tap Clear Cache. Restart your phone or tablet and then try opening the Play Store again. The Google Play Store needs a small amount of scratch space on your phone to process downloads and updates. If your device storage is almost full, the Play Store will often crash as soon as it tries to initiate a download. Let's go through the steps to check for storage issues. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app and then tap Storage in this menu. Step 2. If you have less than 1 GB of free storage, you need to clean house. Delete large videos, old files, or apps you aren't using. Step 3. Once you've freed up some breathing room, try the Play Store again. Sometimes Google pushes an update to the Play Store that might be buggy on your specific device model. Uninstalling those updates forces the app back to the factory version, which is usually the most stable. Let's walk through the steps to uninstall and roll back Google Play Store updates. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Tap Apps and then tap Google Play Store on the next screen. Step 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Tap Uninstall Updates and then confirm your choice. Restart your phone or tablet and open the Play Store. It will automatically update itself in the background to the latest version within a few minutes, but this process often clears out the bad data causing your crashes. And finally, a quick tip. If you've tried everything and it still crashes, your Google account sync might be stuck. Go to Settings, then Passwords and Accounts, and tap your Google account. Ensure everything is syncing correctly. If you see a sync error, remove the account from your device, restart your phone or tablet, and then add the account back. This forces a complete refresh of your connection to Google servers. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.